Hey, Miranda. Nice day for a cruise, eh? What is it? You've forgotten something. You can't tell me? Now I'm really curious. Hey, Maverick! Miranda needs your help. She wants to set up a scavenger hunt for Father's Day. Think you can round up some monsters for it? We'll meet you back here, Miranda. Hey, why are you doing a scavenger hunt on Father's Day? A secret? I wonder. Who are you looking for? Marty, Milo, and Mitch, eh? Sounds like a party. Miranda has set you a challenge, a scavenger hunt. You need to find a fishing rod, a soccer ball, and a telescope. I didn't hear that one. What's with all the secrets today? Are you ready? All right, let's go! Hey, Maverick, why are you doing this scavenger hunt? I don't understand. But why can't you say? Marty, can you tell me why you're collecting these things? Sworn to secrecy too, eh? Oh well. Hey guys, why are you... Oh. Okay, put them in the treasure chest. These are for me? So that was the secret! A Father's Day gift? That's so thoughtful! And my favorite things, too! Well, thanks, guys! I wonder what I'll play with first. Telescope? No, I think I'll go fishing. Or maybe...
Well, well. Looks like a heavy race is happening around here. Wow, Marty. You're such a show-off. Don't be overconfident, Marty. The race is not over yet. Oh my! Marty, look out! You have a hole underneath your hull, Marty. Hold on. Marty, where is Mo? There's no trace of him anywhere. Can you see him?
Right now.
Thank goodness. There he is. Hold on, guys. Maverick can help you out.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Hey, Maverick. Marty and Mo need your help.
Oh?
Can you go by the lake now? See what's happening, Maverick? You need to get there fast. Hi, girls. What are you doing?
Hey!
Oh, you're playing mouse and cat? Looks fun. Mia, here comes Maverick. There's an emergency.
Oh!
Marty and Mo are in danger and need you. They're at the beach. Can you come? Look, Mia, there they are. Hurry.
Oh.
Hold on, Mo. Mia is going back for you.
Bravo, leader, plutôt.
Way to go, guys. You're almost there. Are you enjoying your ride, Mo?
Hey!
Yay.
Great teamwork, you guys. Marty, looks like Maverick has been taking care of your hole. You look good. So what would you think of starting a race again? Mo says he's had his lot of action for today, but you guys go ahead. How about a race between, Mia and Marty? Air against water? What do you think, guys? Okay, Maverick, you can do the counting. Ready? Steady? Go! Good luck to you, monsters, and be careful this time. See you soon.
I wonder what Mo's up to. He sounds busy. Mo, look out! Mo, are you okay?
Bravo, leader.
You're right. I'm not sure how strong that tree is. Okay, I'll get Maverick. Hey, Maverick. New suspension. Mo is in trouble. He drove off a cliff and landed on a tree. Can you help? You're going to get Mia? I think she's out of town. All right, Milo and Mitch could do it. Lucky that tree was there, eh? All right, let's go. Maybe they took a day off work? Mo, Maverick is trying to find some help. Hold tight. Maverick needs your help to find Milo and Mitch. Can you help?
Yay!
Maybe they're at home. They're not in. Let's look for some clues. You're going to follow the trail? All right. Right, the trail stopped. Sun cream? That can only mean one thing, right? The beach! Exactly! Oh, you're right, Malcolm. There are a lot of beaches in Monster Town. Which one will it be? The sunniest beach, of course.
Wow.
Guys, we need your help. Mo is stuck on a tree on a cliff. He needs to be rescued right away. Let's go. Mo, hang on. Maverick is bringing help. Mia! It was a good thing you got here. How did you know to come? Oh, you saw nobody was around, so you looked on Maverick's monitor? Well, that's very lucky. Thanks so much, Mia. See you later, guys. Bye-bye, everyone. Are they fighting again? Milo, look where you're going. Wow, that was close. You think you're going to fall off? No! Hey, Maverick, Milo and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? They were arguing and fell off the bridge.
Look.
We need to find them quickly. Guys, you're okay! But you're stuck, right? You'd better find a way to move. These waters are dangerous. You don't want to float into the sea. Mitch, you made a sail! You have a real boat now! You've got some speed going now! Guys, you're heading towards a waterfall! Mia, you should stop! I'm not surprised you're dizzy. What happened? Oh, an emergency landing went wrong, eh? Mia, Milo, and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? Milo and Mitch fell off the bridge. We need to hurry. That was genius! Where will you land? Now you just need to wait for rescue. Maverick, they already fell. You'd better hurry. Oh, Mia is rescuing them? You have an important job, too. Still fighting, guys. You need to make up. Mia is here to rescue you anyway. Thank you, Mia. Guys, don't you think you should stop fighting? Remember what happened? Take care, guys. Milo! Mitch! Why did you do that to Marty? He said he'd make a better pirate than you. He does spend a lot of time at sea. I know! Maverick can help us settle this! Maverick! Great circus skills! Marty, Milo, and Mitch were arguing, and they dropped Marty in the ocean. Can you stop them fighting? They are arguing about who would be the best pirate. You have any ideas to stop them?
고마워 너. 더 말랑해봐.
Mia, Maverick needs your help setting something up. Do you think you can help? Thanks, Mia.
더 말랑해봐.
Hey guys, Maverick has an idea to solve your argument.
아마노로가 더 말랑해봐.
Are you guys listening?
러가봐.
Mia is setting up a treasure hunt for you guys to see who really is the best pirate.
나는 사람이야.
There are 3 locations where Mia has hidden the treasure. Everyone has a map. Whoever gets the most treasure wins. We will meet on the beach when you're done. Are you ready? Okay, go! Hey guys, all done? It looks like you have one each. That means it's a draw. Let's have a tiebreaker. Whoever can make the best pirate costume wins. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Nice eye patches, guys. Nice earring, Maverick. Marty, you look just like a pirate ship. I think Marty is the clear winner here, guys.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.